Come on, it's dark out. Yeah, that's better. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Say hi, guys.
What's
Hi.
up? Hey, how's life? Yeah.
And Andrea. Say hi, Andrea.
Hi.
Say hi, guys. Say hi.
Dad, when am I allowed to drive?
Never.
Then with our next stop, you can sit here.
I don't want to do it. It's not driving.
That's all stuff.
You feel what? Shellfish?
Yeah, shellfish.
Shellfish.
Yeah.
There we go. Challenge. Feel the challenge. Nope.
Oh, my foot. Oh, my foot hit the ground.
You guys are slow.
The car's there.
You guys are slow. Hey, Mom, look what Dad's doing. Exactly what I did.